Hey guys, welcome to another installation of Ethan's Obsessions. Recently, I acquired both a 1984 M0110 keyboard and M0100 mouse. If you're unaware, those were the peripherals for the original Macintosh back in 1984. I got the keyboard up and running instantly because it came with an adapter, but the mouse took a bit more trouble. And it was finally solved thanks to a fellow by the name of TinkerBOY. I'm going to show you the device and how it works today. Let's take a look. Okay guys, so as you see, here's my keyboard. It works just like a normal keyboard. Very responsive, super satisfying click. You hear that little echo type thing, but anyway. This is the subject of today's video, and more specifically, this. This is TinkerBOY's M0100 to USB adapter. I believe the fella lives over in the Philippines. And basically, I hadn't seen a lot about him outside of what he himself has posted. Y'all can check out his YouTube channel. I'll be sure to link it down below. But essentially, it allows for this mouse, which, mind you, was produced in 1984. Actually, prior to 1984 with the Apple Lisa. To be used on, say, a modern iMac, semi-modern. The iMac I have is from, I believe, mid-2009. I'm too broke for the brand new Mac releases that they just came out with, the ones that are colored. But anyways, you can see, as you can see, mouse works just fine. Tracking is a bit strange, but it's just because it's a ball joint, or a ball, but everything works. For instance, you want to go to Chrome, just click on Chrome. I should note that it only has one button. It's a lot like the smart mouse, the Magic Mouse. It's basically just a predecessor without, like, the tracking on the surface of the mouse itself, or the scrolling, whatever you want to call it, smart sensors. And I do have one of those. In fact, I've got it right here. But I figured that it would be a very cool idea to test this out for you guys and show you. I went through about another adapter when I bought the mouse, and it did not work whatsoever. I was very disappointed, a little upset that I would have to shell out money for another mouse. But as you can see, my retro Apple setup works just fine. The mouse is a bit too responsive, actually. The button is very limp, so if you hit it, like, at all, like, even so much as a tap, it will essentially, it'll click, and you'll end up all sorts of places. I found that out, like, the first second that I plugged it in. But anyway, yeah, that's it. Go check TinkerBOY out. His prices are a bit steep. $47, I think, was what the adapter costed for this. But do keep in mind that it's all custom made, so if you ever want to bring any of this retro Apple hardware that you may have lying around the house back to life, it might be a good option for you. And you can impress your friends by using a 1984 Apple mouse in 2021. Anyway, guys, this has been Ethan's Obsessions. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do, just let me know. Doesn't really matter. And I will see you guys the next time. Peace.